Breaking news! Just when we thought the gimbal camera market was dominated by DJI, a new challenger has entered the ring. Canon has just filed a massive new patent for a production-ready gimbal camera that looks like it's aimed directly at the DJI Osmo Pocket series. Is Canon finally ready to take vlogging seriously? Today, we're breaking down the specs, the smart tech, and whether you should wait for this before buying your next camera. Let's dive in. Looking at the patent drawings, Canon isn't just copying DJI's stick design. The grip is wider and more ergonomic. Why does this matter? 1. Battery life. A wider grip usually means a larger internal battery. 2. Screen size. We might see a larger, more usable integrated touchscreen for framing. 3. Heat management. This is huge. With a slightly larger body, Canon can hopefully push higher bit rates without the overheating issues that plague smaller cameras. While Canon previously experimented with interchangeable lenses for gimbals, this latest design shows a high-quality fixed lens. But here is the secret weapon: auto-flip logic. According to the documentation, the camera can rotate 180 degrees seamlessly while recording. Combine that with Canon's legendary Dual Pixel Autofocus and color science, and this becomes a very tempting tool for creators. If you've ever had a gimbal motor fail on a trip, you know how important that auto-folding and intelligent power management really is. So is this the DJI Pocket Killer we've been waiting for? It's still a patent, but the level of detail here suggests Canon is very close to a real product. If you found this update helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. This is the Tech Zone, signing off.